Well, hi everyone. It's weekend number 4 of lockdown here in the Hunter Valley, and we're camping out the back again. And I hope you're all staying safe in this exciting times. And yeah.
Yes, and we have something to cook on the Weber tonight, and I'm sure you're going to like it.
So before we get on to that, we've got some very, very exciting news.
We've just got over 500 subscribers.
Mate.
We'd like to say a big thank you to every one of you for your support.
Yep. Thanks for watching our videos. The channel's been going just over 12 months, and to have 500 subscribers already is just amazing. It's so good, and thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're very, very happy.
We certainly are. Okay, this week's cooking. Well, Natty's got something very special for you. It's awesome. What is it, Natty?
It's a chocolate pudding cake.
Yep. Yummo. We cooked it a couple of years ago when we were out camping. In those days we were using a
Cast iron pot.
yeah, over a fire.
Yeah.
And it was quite nice, but this time we're going to give it a go on the Weber. We're going to use the casserole dish, and we'll take you through how we do it. And yeah, and we actually got the recipe off the web from a person who does cooking.
Yeah, it's actually Rob Green from smokingpit.com.
Yeah, so like big shout out to Rob for his recipe. And yeah.
And we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, yummo.
So you normally prepare the ingredients into bags, so when you go away camping or caravanning or whatever you want to do, it's just nice and easy to get them out. So we'll take you through that, and yeah, we'll show you how it's done.
So stay tuned.
Okay, so we're inside now, and we'll talk about the main ingredients for the chocolate pudding cake. We've got some vanilla essence here, some baking powder, some salt, some brown sugar, white sugar, cocoa, and some plain flour. So now we're going to put the ingredients into the first bag. So we're starting off with 1 cup of flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa. So I'll just put the 3 tablespoons in. 2, and another 1, 3. 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And that's our first bag. Okay, in our second bag we have 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of cocoa. It's going to be nice and rich. We've got lots of cocoa in it. And our 4th one goes in like that. Then we just close the bag up and give it a good shake. Make sure it's all mixed around. Just like that. Okay, so we have some additional ingredients, and that is 1 1/4 cups of hot water, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/3 of a cup of melted butter, so I have to melt the butter, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. They go with our bags. Okay, I've come out here to set the Weber up. I've put a tray down first that circulates the heat around our dish, and the trivety is on the top there so that we don't burn the bottom of the pudding. We've just put the heat up here onto hot to just warm up the Weber, and we'll just go inside and get our bags. Okay, so this recipe is normally done with a cast iron pot over a fire. However, we're going to do ours tonight in the casserole dish for the Weber. So now I'm going to put it all together. So you just get bag one, give it a good shake, make sure everything's mixed up. That goes into your pot. Like so. With your butter, your milk, and your vanilla essence. And then you stir that up, give it a good stir so it's all mixed up. Should be quite yum. So I've just given that a good stir and spread it all out like that. Now the second bag goes on top. Make sure that's all mixed up together in the bag. And then you just pour this all over the top of it, like so. Just make that level out on top of your other mixture like that. And then you just get your hot water and tip it all over the casserole like that. And yummo, that should be delish. And now we're going to take it out to put on the Weber. Okay, so I've just prepared it. And we'll just pop it into the Weber now. Just like that. Take the handles off. And we'll just reduce the heat down, I'd probably say about medium to low. And that cooks for about 40 minutes, but we'll check it along the way to see how it's going. Okay, so we'll lift the lid of the Weber. Oh boy, I can smell it. It smells beautiful. Look at it. Maybe another 10 more minutes. It's only been on for 30 minutes. Delish. Okay, time will tell. Here we go. It's been on for 40 minutes now. Yep. It looks perfect. Okay, so I've just popped the handles back on. I'll just take this inside and plate up. Look at that. It looks perfect. Here we go, the big taste test. Yum. Yum. So if you're looking for a nice easy dessert to make when you go camping or caravanning, I reckon this is the go. All you need is your bags, your wet ingredients goes into your esky, and away you go. It's really, really nice. Recommend it.
This is amazing. The sauce has gone through the pudding and it is just yum.
It sure is.
Well done, Natty.
Thank you.
It's as you saw, not that I did much. It was
Very easy to make.
so easy, and yeah. So well, here we are, camping out the back. Stay safe, everyone,
Yep.
and I hope you can get out the back too and enjoy some time to enjoy your backyard. Until next time,
Bye.
see yous.